Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing my hybrid short shifter that I got for my 8th gen Civic Si. So let's get to this. I already have the hybrid short shift knob, and then now I just got the short shifter that's gonna match the same color as the shift knob. So let's get this started. I have to take all this off, the whole console off, so let's get it started. So here it is, guys, the hybrid racing short shifter for my 8th gen. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. Whoa. It's gonna match my shift knob too, so that's pretty nice. And then next, what I'm gonna get is the carbon fiber trim, so it can look really good. So let's get this started. I'm gonna just take off the shift knob for now. So let's see how the stock is compared, so we can compare it later to the hybrid short shifter. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. So you gotta take off this panel, which I already did. Next, I gotta take out these screws from here, and then I believe it has like a clip back there, and then a screw in here. So I'm gonna take that off and I'll be right back. So now these screws are loose, so you can take it off by hand or whatever you want to do. Really dirty around here in both sides, so once I take this off, I'm gonna clean it because it's really dirty. And then after, I believe it has a clip behind somewhere back here, I'm not sure, but then over here it has two screws right here. You gotta take those two out, and then the whole console just comes off. So I'll be right back once I take these two off and then find out the clip that is somewhere around here. So on both sides it has a clip right here. So it has one right here, and then that's it. And then the other side, it has one too, so you gotta take it out. So now I took out the bolts from here, the clips from back there, and the one from over here. And then I took out the two bolts from here. So I believe it should come out. The whole thing should come out, I believe. Yup. Gotta slide it out. Well, I got nobody else to hold my camera, so I gotta do everything by myself over here. The lighting. I just took out the whole console off. It didn't take me that long. It only took like about 10 minutes. Take everything out, so look how dirty this is. I have my vacuum right here, so I'm about to clean it up real quick. So I just cleaned it, vacuumed it, and it looks way better now. So now let's get to taking off the shifter. It's a whack ass shifter. What you're gonna use is the 12 for all three of these. This one, and this one. So let's get to it. Trying to take this out right now. So got one side out. The other side is out. So both of these are out. So next to do is to take out the cables, which people have said that they are a pain in the ass to take out. So let's see how long it takes me. I got one side loose already. Well, I got one side out. That was not that hard, as people were saying that it's a pain in the ass to take out. Well, I got one side out really fast. Now it's to take out the other side. So I just got the junk OEM plastic shifter. Look at this. Yeah, just got it out. Now comes this beauty. Whoa. I just want to drive the car already so bad. Bang gears, you already know. Just adjusted it. I put it to the shortest setting. I'm pretty sure I still could go more out, but I'm just leave it like that for now. And then if I want it shorter, I just can adjust it and make it shorter. So now I'm just gonna put it on and then put the cables on, and then wow, the cable was so easy just to put in. I just slide it in there, and that's it. Now let's try the other side. So I just got both cables in. It took me about, let's say, about a minute. So yep, I just made it tighter, so I don't think it's going nowhere. So now gotta put the bolts in. These bolts I'm putting, I came with it, so now I'm putting in the bolts. So you gotta put these back in. I gotta put this one in right now. So there's it, is in. Now just gotta tighten these bolts up. Oh, so it's already in. I made it all the way down, and then this one too. So right now it feels really short. Wow, it feels amazing. There you go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Wow, it feels amazing. So now I just got done putting this on. Everything is bolted on. Now it's to put the whole console back on and then take the car for a test drive. Make sure everything is going into gear, and then yeah. So I'll be right back with you guys once I put the whole console back. So I just got done. Everything is bolted on. Everything is back up. Now it's just like hitting up here because I have it all the way maxed out. So like, it's just like, it was popping it out. So, no, it's not doing it right now. Look, it popped it out when I go into reverse. That's fine. Like, I'm gonna do it again. Pops it out when I go into reverse, but that's nothing. I don't even care. So I just took it for a test drive and it feels amazing. The trim is popping out because this is too out, I think, so I'm probably gonna have to put it in a little bit more. But it feels great. If anybody wants to get it, man, I recommend you. It's kind of expensive, but I recommend it. So mine is just matching with the shift knob and then the short shifter. So looks really good. Next I gotta do is get the carbon fiber trim so it can look way better, and then I'm gonna get all this carbon fiber. I'm gonna do a radial delete, so all this is gonna be carbon fiber. This carbon fiber over here, carbon fiber. I might do this too, carbon fiber. Everything's good. I want everything like carbon fiber. I'm gonna do a radial delete, so the radio is gonna be in the glove box, so it's gonna look really good. I might do this too, carbon fiber. All this. I might do the push button, the Type R push button, and then I'm gonna do the Type R hazard light too. Look, it look really nice. It's the red one, and in the night it glows, so it will look really good with everything carbon fiber and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, I'm gonna be posting more videos, like hopefully weekly. I'm gonna be posting videos. I'm gonna be posting vlogs and like my lifestyle, whatever I do on the daily, weekly, you know. I'm not gonna be doing weekly car videos because that would leave me really broke, and then I want to be broke. I want to travel and stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So I see you next video.